Hi, Mary here from Just Plum Crazy. We're here with the Sound Intone foldable DJ stereo headphones with inline mic. They can be shortened for small heads or enlarged for big heads. They have nice padding on it so it holds your ear and all the sound goes into your ears. It has an inline mic with an adjustable volume on it. The cord isn't like other cords. It's like an actual nylon cord, not the kind of plastic cord that's on most headphone sets. So this one won't be easily wrecked. The sound on them is very good. It has a good sound. Sound Intone foldable DJ stereo headphones. Fold up easily. See how compact they are? You can see how they fold. I don't know if you could carry them in your pocket, but you could stick them in your purse, your suitcase for the airplane. Sound Intone foldable DJ stereo headphones with inline mic. Get yours today.